Greetings from Lövnäs Naturistbad. I am visiting this nudist beach in Nykvarn on 27th of July 2024. And this nudist beach is completely empty. I am all alone here. Next to the nudist beach there is even a public beach that is also completely empty. And that is because of the thunderstorm that was ongoing 1 hour ago until a few minutes back. But now the sun is back up at some point. So that means that I have come here at the right time to enjoy a nice swim in the lake Yngern. That is this lake. So Lövnäs Naturistbad is located, as I mentioned, in Nykvarn municipality, and it is maintained nudist beach. And yes, to get here there is no public transport. The closest bus station is 3.5 kilometers away, Ruchellavegen, and from there actually I have run all the way to here. But Nykvarn central station, that has also train, it's 5 kilometers away. Well, however, the train is not included in the public transport card if you buy it, so you can only travel by intercity train, but you can take a bus from Södertälje if you already have your public transport card from Stockholm, as Nykvarn is part of the Stockholm region. So yes, I remember when I was here last year, I was also running back then from Nykvarn station. So I'm doing the same expedition again, and it is 21 degrees Celsius in the air right now. In the lake I am not quite sure, to be fair, but I'm gonna check it out and have a real feel from my long time experience of beach adventures. So this is how the nudist beach is. Not the best one that I have visited for sure, as there is only small sandy part compared to the public beach that is there. So yeah, let's then go in for a swim on this 27th of July 2024. There is a small jetty over there that you can see, and there are a lots of plants here at the nudist beach, so meaning that you will basically be connected to the public beach as such. But yeah, the bottom here is wet sand. It is a bit sticky and slimy, but it's still quite nice for a swim. Yes, this is the nudist beach. So yes, another nudist beach adventure on my channel, and I'm so happy to be showing you different beaches on my channel, and that means that we are now ready for a swim here at Lake Yngern at Lövnäs Nudist Beach, Lövnäs Naturistbad. So 3, 2, 1, let's go! I can smell the sand through my nostrils actually. So yeah, oh yes, now I need to chill here a bit before I will run back to Nykvarn central station, actually to Ruchellavegen, and head back eventually to Stockholm, my home. So Lövnäs Naturistbad as it is. Greetings from this nudist beach in Nykvarn, and yeah, make sure to like and subscribe if you want to follow more beach adventures on my channel. And the channel is called Beach Adventures with Chris.